Blast.
Ayo, it's blast.
Ayo, it's blast.
Ayo, it's blast.
Ayo, it's blast.
Yes.
As a proud Amakwenya consumer, I have a question. Ayo, it's blast. Yes. Remember when I said I've moved to Emakaya, and one of the things that I encountered was transportation.
If you want comfortability, rather stay at home.
Today I want to talk about sent ingane estolo to get amagwinya for me. And dibuya nalento. Bafethu. Sorry bhuti, ngithuma ingane amagwinya mfethu. Uyanginikeza lento yini le?
Hayi niyo namagwinya le mongayifuni ye.
Like magwinya big and fat, my bro. Come on. If you want to know about my experiences, make sure that you do follow. Yeah! You are the chosen one. Ayo, it's blast. Yes. Remember when I said I moved the next video I want to make, I want to talk about Omisa. Because it's something that I came in here and learned about. I grew up in the township. I would pull up to a chick and be like, hey Oma, can I please talk to you? Or can I please have your numbers? Maybe we can go out, get some ice cream, and then one thing will lead to another. But yeah, we have a concept which we call Omisa. I don't want to speak about this topic without sufficient information. So I'll probably invite someone. But anyways, if you want to know more about my experiences, my stories, please make sure that you do follow me.
Yeah! Opoto, dog. Opoto. Ayo, it's blast. Yes. Remember when I said I'd moved to Emakaya, and the last video I was talking about Omisa, Intombi, and I'd said that I was going to invite someone.
About Omisa.
Unfortunately, I haven't had time to do that because I've been very busy, dog. If you can look at my back, there is a speaker. Ngiyaphanda. Today I want to talk about nyama, dog. Nyama yobos. First thing I learned when I came here you get complimentary putu. Mina la ngisuka khona. You have to buy into zomela ukuthi uyidle nayo leyo nyama leyo. Ngalewa lokho uzoyidla iyodwa. And futhi in most cases uyidla no flour. But here it's complimentary. It's free. If you are no putu, dog. If you want to know more about my stories and my experiences, make sure that you do stay tuned. Yeah!
Before I do that, angeke ngikhubuluze umhluzi. Ayo, it's blast. Yes. Remember when it said that I'd moved to Emakaya, and recently I'd went to Indaweni like Kosu Akoninyama. Now today I want to talk about the most reliable takeaway you can ever. That is the most reliable takeaway you can get. I'm not saying amanyama takeaway aweko, but inhloko is actually reliable. Inhloko, number one, nwaba indawo ezidayisa inhloko. Number two, it's very affordable. So if you want to know more about my stories and my experiences, make sure that you do follow. And also please do go and check out my YouTube channel. I'm about to upload some things. But mind you, I'm still working on them. But other than that, it's one love. Yeah! Oh, it's blessed. Yes. Remember when it said that I'd moved to Emakaya? Today I want to talk about the most reliable takeaway you can ever get. Inyama yenhloko, dog. Yo, inhloko. Remember? This is like not saying amanyama takeaway aweko, but inhloko is actually reliable. Number one, nwaba indawo ezidayisa inhloko. Number two, it's very affordable. See, what I bought for myself is something three. You also get Oputu, dog. Also get Oputu. So if you want to know more about my stories and my experiences, make sure that you do follow. Yeah!
fuck. Yo, it's Bless. Yes. Remember when it said that I'd moved to Emakhaya? Well, unfortunately, today is my last day here, and I can't continue with the series until next year. Some people have been asking me where I'm at, so I decided to go around and take a video of where I'm at. Hopefully, you will know what's in the video. I'm not gonna say where I'm at. Comment, just tell people where I'm at. Other than that, happy holidays. Lapha Emakhaya. I mean, I'm moving back home to Ekasi. I'm gonna be doing the content Ekasi, dog. Thank you for following me. Thank you for engaging with my content. Thank you for liking. And next year, I promise you, I'm gonna come back with more creative videos. Other than that, it's one love.